Hellcat.
Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I'm reacting to Battle for Chicken Nugget, Episode 1. No! Okay, I guess I'll react to it, I guess.
Welcome everybody to Battle for the Chicken Nugget. Here are contestants. Hello, I am Lollipop. Hello, I am Yola profile picture.
Okay.
Hello, I am Wide Lollipop. Hello, I am Blue Marsh. Hello, I am Background. Hello,
Okay.
I am a Lollywop. The first challenge is to not talk. Go. I won. Congratulations, Lollipop. You won. Vote either Yola profile picture, Wide Lollipop, Blue Marsh background, or Lollywop.
Okay. Anyways. Bye, guys.